So it's almost 3 in the afternoon, and we have this much snow already. They said we were going to get around 12 inches. I'm tending to believe them because I don't know if you can see, but it's coming down at a pretty good clip. Yay. Ned is already out plowing for the city of Somersworth, and I'm sitting here playing house, and I think I'm going to make my Nettie some brownies so when he comes home, because he's such a hard-working man. Anyway, any of y'all are out there in this weather, stay warm, hoping the power doesn't go out, hoping Big Bertha out there does not fall on us, because I've seen a lot of trees down lately. Oh, see, she's kind of moving a little bit. You Big Bertha, stay up there. Anyway, that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. What's going on in your neck of the woods? Anyway, this is out. See that headboard out there? That's going to be going in the garden, if we do a garden. But winter wonderland, but it's almost spring. So this is going to stop because I don't know if the kids are going to be able to find their eggs and all this stuff. It's probably going to melt and it's going to be mud, because that's what they call, for all you people who aren't from this area, they don't call spring around here. They call it mud season. And this is Big Bertha's sister, Little Bertha. Anyway, bye.